Hello, welcome back to Blue Harvest History. I'm going to ask you a question now. Where do you think Seaside Rock came from? Blackpool? Scarborough? Brighton? When you think of childhood summers spent at seaside resorts, you're sure to think of the sticky, sugary confectionery that is rock. Whether you broke a tooth biting chunks out of it, or took it home as a gift for an unsuspecting friend, it's a popular seaside tradition. The earliest forms of rock is believed to be sold at fairgrounds in the 19th century, and though it was similar, it was not lettered or flamboyantly coloured like the seaside rock we are acquainted with today. So today, as you can see, we are actually in Dewsbury. Bradford Street in Dewsbury to be exact, where Ben Bullock, an ex-miner from Burnley, began manufacturing sticks of brightly coloured lettered candy. Ben Bullock, originally a miner from Burnley, had a sweet stall on Dewsbury Market. He began experimenting with his own ideas and eventually created sweets with lettering running right through them. The first batch spelled out "Whoa Emma," the title of a popular song of the time. With this success, Bullock's Excelsior Toffee Works was founded in 1870, and in 1887, Ben Bullock came to Blackpool for holiday. He spotted an opportunity and on returning home made the first batch of Blackpool Rock. Mr. Hemingway from Scarborough says, "My grandfather worked for Bullock's in Dewsbury in the early 1900s. He worked there lettering rock. As one of only a couple of men that could do this, he was sent to Blackpool to teach the art of lettering rock to manufacture there. My mother recalls that they had the chance to move there permanently, but didn't due to family commitments." So what you see here is what's left of the Slade and Bullock's Excelsior Toffee Works. Unfortunately, Ben Bullock died in 1905 and the factory suffered a major fire and had to be later demolished. So as you can see, it's in a real sorry state and this end of town is scarcely used. If you've watched my Earl's Eaton to Dewsbury Railway video, the track actually went at the side of the road here from Dewsbury to Batley, and as I said in that video, I am going to be following Dewsbury to Batley in a future video when the weather is better, maybe. So hope you enjoyed that little bit of history about Seaside Rock, Blackpool Rock, Brighton Rock, Scarborough Rock, whatever you want to call it. The stuff you see in those shops today was actually invented in Dewsbury. I'll see you next time and keep a lookout for your history.